Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube video. Today we'll be talking about the cosine law. So, what is the cosine law? The cosine law in biomedical physics explains how the strength of radiation on a surface changes depending at an angle it hits. This is important in treatment like electrotherapy, phototherapy, where the angle affects how much the energy the body can receive. So basically, in simple terms, the cosine law is it explains how light rays or how the radiation hits an angle and how that affects whatever surfaces that we are working on. So we especially see this in electrotherapy and phototherapy. The angle that you hold the instrument at or the angle at which you use the instrument at affects how the patient feels. So, what does the cosine law statement say? It says the intensity of radiation on a surface is proportional to the cosine of the angle between the direction of the radiation and the normal perpendicular to the surface. So as the angle of incidence increases, the effective area over which energy is spread increases, reducing the intensity. So the maximum absorption occurs when the radiation is perpendicular to the surface. That when the angle is zero, so we say cos zero, that is equal to one. So that means maximum absorption will be there. For example, if we look at this diagram right here, if the waves come directly down from the sky, it will be more effective. That will be cos zero, which is one. So the angle and the surface are perpendicular to each other, so it is directly proportional, which means there is more effective of radiation. Unlike the first diagram where the angle are coming perpendicular, they're not coming direct like on the second diagram. So when they come perpendicularly, it is not directly proportional. The angle at which the radiation is coming is not proportional to the angle of the surface. Hence, we do not get maximum radiation. So in biomedical physics, in physiotherapy, ultraviolet or infrared lamps are used for treatment. If the lamp is not placed at 90-degree angle to the skin, the therapeutic effective decreases due to reduced intensity according to the cosine law. Practitioners are trained to align devices perpendicular to the treatment areas for maximum effect. So depending on the instrument, um, for maximum for maximum radiation or for maximum treatment intensity of treatment, each instrument can be placed at an angle at which it will release maximum intensity or heat so that the surface area can be maximized and treatment will quickly happen. So why does it matter in physiotherapy? In physiotherapy, it ensures accurate dosage in radiation and heat therapies. It also prevents under or overexposure to therapeutic agents, and it is useful in designing and applying treatment protocols safely and effectively. For references, there's the books that I used. Thank you so much. This was it for our cosine law in biomedical physics. Thank you.